I don't know if you can pick that up on the camera very good. All those little bubbles in the water going all the way down this bank. Those are bubble trails from feeding carp. All those bubbles. Whole bunch of feeding carp over here this morning. That's where I'm going to be putting my baits. You know, in the summer, all the grass is all, and the weeds are all wet in the morning, and you got to choose whether you want to have dry feet and be really hot, or to have wet feet and be a little more comfortable temperature-wise. And I think I made a mistake today choosing the rubber boots. I'm cooking in these things. I got to change. Okay, something's been happening here. Guess I'll have to go back and look at the video. It's probably gone for about 90 seconds. This line is crossed with the other one. Something weird happening here. This line that I'm holding was closest to the bank and farthest to the right. Now it's in the middle. I'm just reeling in. I think there's a fish attached. What happened on the video? I have to go back and look. It's just coming in. No effort at all. I think I'll just go ahead and maybe keep going here. This happened a few times before. Fish is hooked and it's just swimming with it. I wonder how long this is gonna go on here. I should just do a little quick reel down. I think I should, because I'm getting another fish on the other line. Yep. There he is. I think that this fish was bumping into that other line. Alright. Kinda wish I would have been standing here to see what happened. I kinda got a tiny glimpse of him when I set the hook. Kinda looked like it might be a buffalo. We'll see here pretty soon. He's coming in. She's just a nice medium-sized carp. Come around over here. Dirty water here. And we got him. Nice. First fish of the morning. Kind of a little long, skinny, probably male fish. 6-7 pounds probably. Today I'm fishing with the Magic Marshmallow boilies for hook bait. and the sweet potato oats pack bait. And let's put him back. And not having my boots on anymore. Shallow release for you. Go ahead. There you go. Bye-bye. Here's what I'm fishing with today. Sweet potato oats pack bait and the magic marshmallow homemade boilie. Both recipes for both these things you can find in my previous videos. Yep. Fish on, fish on. This is the rod that I had all the way to the right, real close to the bank over there. Oh, big fish just jumped over there. It's getting later in the morning. It's about 9:45 and got out here a little later than I wanted to, but there's less bubble trails over there than there were when I got here. They're still around. And this is not going to be a trophy, but a fun fish. He's hooked right in the bottom lip. Little bitty guy, little 2-pounder. Bye-bye. Okay, we're in business. Something has been pecking at this line for like a half an hour. I figured it was bluegills or something, and it may even, this might be a catfish. No, it's a carp. Catfish don't swim that fast. He's right here. He's not bad. Yeah, he's not a bad fish. A 3-pounder maybe, 3-4. So long. Oh, he's got something in his gill there. Bye-bye. All right. We are back in business again. This feels like an okay fish. That's what I get at this pond. Okay fish. Yeah. He's going over there under both my other lines. Oh, look at him. Look at this cute little guy. Well, just a quick morning fishing trip. These little fish are fun too. I'm gonna put him back. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Back you go. Woo! All right. See you later.